In this exploration, we begin with a testament to the engineering brilliance of the ancient Romans. The Colosseum, crafted from travertine stone, stands not only as a monument to entertainment, but also as a reminder of Rome's vast empire and cultural influence. As we transition to the Leaning Tower of Pisa, we marvel at how its unintended tilt has become a beloved symbol of resilience and charm in architectural blunders. Each landmark we visit narrates a tale of the past, while captivating modern audiences with its unique allure. As we journey further into the heart of Italy, we arrive at Vatican City, a place where spiritual and artistic mastery converge. Nestled within Rome, it is a haven for pilgrims and art enthusiasts alike, enchanting visitors with the grandeur of St. Peter's Basilica and the breathtaking ceiling of the Sistine Chapel, painted by Michelangelo. Here, every corner echoes centuries of devotion and creativity, drawing millions to gaze upon its wonders and learn about the deep history intertwined with this tiny yet powerful enclave. As we meander through the streets of Rome, our next stop is the Trevi Fountain, a true masterpiece of Baroque architecture. Completed in 1762, its elaborate sculptures and flowing water create an enchanting atmosphere, where visitors partake in the beloved tradition of tossing a coin into its shimmering waters, hoping for a return to this magical city one day. Continuing to explore, we arrive at the majestic Pantheon, a testament to ancient engineering with its vast, unreinforced concrete dome. Built nearly 2 millennia ago, this architectural wonder remains one of the best preserved buildings from antiquity, still inspiring awe in its modern visitors. As we turn our gaze towards Florence, we encounter the Florence Cathedral, or the Duomo, an iconic symbol of the city's rich history and culture. With its magnificent dome engineered by Filippo Brunelleschi in the 15th century, this architectural marvel represents a revolutionary achievement of the Renaissance, embodying innovation that still captures the admiration of all who stand beneath its grandeur. Continuing our exploration, we step into the Uffizi Gallery, which hosts an unparalleled collection of masterpieces by renowned artists such as Botticelli, Da Vinci, and Michelangelo. Walking through its hallowed halls is akin to journeying through centuries of artistic evolution, revealing the profound impact of Italian art on the world's cultural landscape. Moving onward to the glittering canals of Venice, we arrive at St. Mark's Basilica, a veritable gem of Italo-Byzantine architecture adorned with dazzling golden mosaics. This cathedral, once the private chapel of the Doge, showcases a harmonious blend of religious devotion and architectural beauty, captivating visitors with each intricate detail. Adjacent to this sacred site is the Doge's palace, steeped in political intrigue and artistic splendor, reflecting Venice's power during the Middle Ages. Its Gothic facades and opulent chambers whisper the stories of rulers and their legacies. Lastly, we transport ourselves back in time to Pompeii, buried beneath the ashes of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD. This haunting archaeological site allows us a glimpse into everyday life in ancient Rome, preserved in remarkable detail, transporting us back to the fateful day of the catastrophic eruption. As we explore the scenic splendor of the Amalfi Coast, we find ourselves overwhelmed by its breathtaking cliffs and charming pastel towns. This coastal paradise, celebrated for its stunning vistas, has been a beloved retreat dating back to Roman times, with towns like Positano and Ravello renowned worldwide for their beauty and allure. Each picturesque village invites visitors to experience the enchanting blend of nature and human artistry, leaving a lasting impression on all who venture here. Now let us journey towards the Cinque Terre, a striking region made up of 5 colorful cliffside villages, each boasting its own unique character and centuries-old footpaths that weave through the vibrant landscapes, evoking a sense of timeless beauty and tradition. As we venture into Milan, the glaring beauty of the Milan Cathedral, known as the Duomo di Milano, captivates us immensely. With its intricate spires and over 3,000 statues, this Gothic marvel took 6 centuries to complete, representing the relentless passion and dedication of countless artisans throughout history. Every corner of the cathedral tells a story, reflecting both faith and artistry that continues to inspire both locals and travelers alike. Nearby, we discover Sforza Castle, a historical fortress that evolved into a ducal residence accommodating influential Renaissance families. Today, it stands proudly, housing museums that showcase the rich tapestry of Milan's history and even the occasional unfinished masterpieces of Leonardo da Vinci, inviting everyone to delve deeper into the city's artistic legacy. As we stroll through Sienna's picturesque streets, we find ourselves at Piazza del Campo, a uniquely shaped square that serves as the heart of this medieval city. Here, every summer, the Palio race celebrates the age-old tradition with a blend of fervor and pageantry, showcasing the deep-rooted spirit of the Sienese people who come together to embrace their heritage and lively community. Following this, we arrive at the Verona Arena, a remarkably preserved Roman amphitheater nestled in the enchanting city of Verona. With its impressive structure still hosting operas and concerts, it bridges the gap between ancient history and modern entertainment, drawing both locals and tourists to its captivating performances and rich cultural significance. Further along our journey, we visit the Basilica of St. Francis in Assisi, a stunning architectural gem that honors one of the most revered saints in Christianity. This sacred site, adorned with Giotto's breathtaking frescoes, stands as a testament to devotion, inviting pilgrims to explore its hallowed halls and revel in the artistry that defined an era of Italian religious expression. As we glide across the sparkling waters towards Capri, we encounter the Blue Grotto, a captivating sea cave where sunlight creates an ethereal blue glow, igniting the imagination. This natural wonder, known to the Romans, has enchanted countless visitors with its surreal beauty, making it a must-see destination for those exploring Italy's stunning coastline. The Trulli of Alberobello are a significant landmark, not just locally, but internationally. They are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Alberobello is a town in Puglia in southern Italy, is famous for its unique Trullo buildings, which are conical stone houses. It is possible to rent Trulli, especially in the Apulia region of Italy. Many Trulli are available for short-term rentals through platforms like Airbnb or Bookings.com. In celebrating the rich tapestry of Italy's landmarks, we've witnessed the echoes of history, artistry, and culture that define this enchanting country. Each site not only reflects its unique story, but also invites us to connect with our shared human heritage. Italy truly remains a timeless treasure, inviting discovery and appreciation.